How to enable or disable mirror front camera on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, tap on Camera. Then we go down and tap on Mirror Front Camera. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. If you go to your camera and with your selfie, you can turn it on or switch it off. And here, when you take a photo, you can see I'm here on this side on the left, and with this one I'm on the right. So that's how you can use the mirror front camera. And finally, go back to the home screen by swiping up. Thank you for watching this video.